Hi, this is Joe with Fidelity Inventory, and in this video, we will be reviewing the process for adding client portal users to your account. The 3PL client portal that Finale now has available for use is accessible through a unique login, and the portal, when logging in, will look something very similar to what you're looking at right now, with the exception of your logo being showcased here. And then, of course, an area for the username and password to be entered for the person who has credentials in order to access the portal that you have provided them access to. The process for adding users to the portal involves being within your own account. And within your own account, portal users are associated to customers that are in your account. So to access your customer list, you can either go to the customers link from the home screen, or underneath the sign dropdown, go to customers here. Here you have the ability to either update existing customers in case you already have your clients built in as customers within the account, or you can add customers either one at a time or using our bulk import process here. Assigning users to the customers involves going into the customer detail page down to a section titled Portal Users. If you do not have any portal users set up, this section will be blank. Otherwise, you have the ability to add additional portal users to this section down below here. To show you what the section would look like without any users set up just yet, we can go ahead and go back to our customer page and create a new customer. We will name them Client D. And in the section down below, this is where we have the ability to then add users associated to that customer for their client portal. Adding users here is very similar to the process of adding users to your own Finale account. It does require a unique username to be associated to that user. And then you are also able to provide the email address that the user should be associated to that would allow them to reset their password or troubleshoot access issues in case they happen to forget their password. After adding the username and email address, you can click Add User. If there's a conflict with the username or the email address, we will present that here. Otherwise, we will go ahead and send an email to that email address to allow that user to then go through the account access setup process, which involves creating a permanent password. For the user then, for restricting the products seen by users associated to this customer, you would then configure the product store section below, where you can assign one or multiple stores that you have configured within your own account to this customer. So these stores are populated by the integrations page for anything that we push stock to, or this list can be also populated manually by providing manual options underneath application settings, product, and then there's a section titled stores. Here you have the ability to add additional options for you to then assign that association to specific products for that specific client. Adding stores here and then going back to our customer list. We could then go back into that customer, do a quick refresh to allow that information to save and be available on other pages within Finale. We can then come down to this section. We can either add Client D store as an additional store or make that the only store in which that user has access to those specific products. And you are done. And please feel free to reference our other help resources in terms of learning how you can bulk associate stores to specific products within the account. Otherwise, if you have any questions around the portal feature or use of the portal feature, please feel free to reach out to service@finalleinventory.com, and we're more than happy to help. Thank you.